Cuci mata je. For speaking is accepted, you just say sikat rambut. Rambut is hair. Saya takkan tipu. For formal Malay, saya tidak akan menipu.
Get yours now. Tina Amir's Learn Malay eBooks. Master Malay language in just a week.
Hi, I never recorded with this camera before, so I have no idea how it will come out. We will see. Anyway, we are here because we are going to small picnic in Tasik, Cermin, and for picnic, obviously we need food. So let's cook something together and let's go to Tasik, Cermin. General idea actually is to make nasi goreng, so I'm going to make nasi goreng kampung precisely. I have everything prepared already, so actually all I need to do is to cook. Right, so first, well, actually let's heat up the pan a little bit higher. Probably is not hot enough. I need to buy myself a pan with a longer handle so I can hold it, but that one will be later in the future. Anyway, seems like it's hot enough. So inside bawang putih for now. I know it's noisy. It's less noisy when I'm holding the pot, so that's how it will be. Let's just cook it for a while. After onion and garlic is cooked, we're gonna spill the egg inside. Just one egg to break to be in small pieces. Now I'm gonna lower down the fire. That is great. Whoa, noisy. Okay, after that, small chili, kangkung, one lime juice, okay. Now we're gonna add rice, let's mix it for a while. I'm not expert in mixing, but it's okay. Now we're gonna add 1 spoon of sambal belacan. We're gonna add a little bit of sugar. We're gonna add half spoon of Ajinomoto and 1 spoon of fish sauce. All right. Let's mix everything together. Open up temperature a little bit, because it's nasi goreng, it needs to be goreng, right? Spread it like this so it can cook evenly and fry properly. This, let it cook for a while. Then mix it back. Spread it again. A little bit of salt everywhere. And if you want a little bit more color, you can sprinkle a little bit of soy sauce, but you don't have to. I like a little bit of color. So, let's mix it again. Turn off the fire and, ladies and gentlemen, nasi goreng kampung. That's easy, right? It's that easy. Let's eat nasi goreng.
Jom nasi goreng.
Jom makan nasi goreng. Bismillah. Okay. Somebody coming. Ah, there it is. Okay, beautiful.
Look our utensil.
Oh yeah, so cool. volume of the microphone.
So when you fart, explode.
Shut up.
Explode.
No, I want to record
Okay.
the sound of the nature. Because now, even you whisper, that microphone's supposed to pick up your sound. Listen to this. How cool echo.
Echo.
Huh. So cool. It's amazing, right?
Yes, very. Hi people, we're going home. So actually we came like maybe 10, around 10, and it was only us and another 2 people. So now look at that, and also there's so many motorcycles, maybe you cannot see properly, and so many people coming. So I actually really appreciate that I can get a little bit of privacy spot there. But actually the best for you to come is during weekdays and afternoon. But looking at now, see noon and so many people coming, I think afternoon even worse. So it's okay. I think if we want to come again next time, maybe we will try to come afternoon and see how. If not, I think we just stick to the early in the morning. Okay, so driver how?
No. I think afternoon is better because now we come. It's noon and sun is right on top. So actually there is no shade.
Yes, but in terms of privacy,
Yeah, in terms of privacy is
come
better.
early morning, I think.
Or early morning maybe, while still sun is down. I think it's better. But now is really hot. Dying. Okay, let's go.
Actually, why you need to come when it's afternoon? Because of shade. And
Yeah,
then when it's
shade
shade, then you can really see the reflections of the cave on the water. So that's why it's called Tasik Cermin. Okay, we're going. Now this is how it
I will
looks
drive
like.
very slowly so it's not bumpy. But you try to stabilize as much as you can.
Yeah, but should I
In 200 meters, turn left.
What?
open the window?
No need. Why? No need. Windows are clean. It was huge rain the other day. Clean our car. You can record a little bit here so people can see
This
where.
is the road lead to that cave. What?
No, just are you recording?
No, I'm not.
That's a nice man.
No, it's different man.
Different.
Hey,
Huh?
maybe.
No.
No. He said terima kasih.
Yeah. We just say
200
hi.
meters, turn right.
And that's it.
Actually, if you come to this kind of place, make sure you don't say stupidity, okay? Stupidity, I mean negative things like, this is a temple.
Temple,
I
right?
like to go, but it's already known. Not for now.
Yeah, next time we can visit the temple.
Because it's not enjoyable under
I'm
this.
not even sure this one is open for public or not.
Of course.
It is, huh? Then great, we can go. Now we know where it is.
Ah,
Where is it?
let me finish.
Oh yeah.
Okay, don't talk about stupidity such as mention the name of dangerous animal or saying something about haunted thing. Because actually this place really haunted. But if you go during the day, no problem. But some people really wanted to have the paranormal experience, so they come at night.
And that's it. This is
Well, I guess that's all. Hope you enjoy our ride. Thank you. Bye-bye.